Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to listen to music while you're playing games on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's actually very easy to open up YouTube and listen to music while you're playing games on your PlayStation 5. If you press the PlayStation button and then open up the control center and then go to your game base, I made a second account you can easily send links to right here. It's called search-browser, and I made this person a favorite on this section so they always show up on top. If you want to know how to make someone a favorite, press options over their name, go to game base, and then under this screen, go to their name again, and then go to add to favorites. When you do this, they will show up on the top. So search-browser is a second profile I made, and I only use this to send URL links to. So this is their name. They're also called Zumba is Cool search-browser. So go ahead and send this person a message, and then go ahead and just type in www.youtube.com right into here, and then select it, and it'll open up YouTube for you. Now just type in a song. So let's go ahead and just type something in, maybe like Tom Petty or something like that, because I really like that guy. And let's type this in, press R2 and done. Then go to one of his songs and select it. Then you'll have to listen to the ad or skip it depending on what it is. So I'll be able to skip it here in a second. So once you have the song playing, what you can do is press the options button now, and then go to pin to side, and the song will now play on the right side of the screen, and you can go back to your game and start playing. So you can listen to any song you want, or any kind of playlist, or even video. And sometimes I'll do this when I'm doing like a trophy hunt or something. I'll have a YouTube playing on the side there, and I'll watch as I'm doing the trophy in real time. Or maybe I'll do this like with Twitch when I'm watching someone live stream. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.